Unit 2, Integers.
By Alejandro. Unit 2.1, representing. This is a zero pair. It happens when a positive and negative integer counter each other. S equals positive 2 because 3 positives are cancelled out by 3 negative tiles. First thing is, if you see a negative and a positive, which as you can see in the corner, blue is positive and red is negative, you first want to see if there's any zero pairs, like this. After you've found the zero pairs, you eliminate that from the equation. These are the zero pairs. Right now, you eliminate them. What is left over is the 2 positive blue, which would the leftovers would be your answer. So right now, the formula is plus 5 plus minus 3 equals plus 2. Positive 7. Let's first find the zero pairs, okay? So let's circle them. Now, we are here. This may confuse you a bit, but if so, then just watch it again and it will show you. This is aligned down here, and this is aligned up here. They're not fully under each other. So what you can do is you can either remove this, and then you got a zero pair there, or you can leave it and circle it diagonal. It works either way. Then you have another zero pair. Then we have this little guy here. Now, what we're going to do with him is he is obviously our answer. So, formula. Plus 4 plus negative 5 equals, what's this little guy? A negative 1. First, you're going to find the first number, which is 5. Then you're going to move over 2 spots, 1, 2. Then your answer is positive 7. So let's start from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does that give us? Negative 1. And that is how you do a positive negative. Have a good day. Right now I'm going to show you how to add a negative to a negative using a number line. My example that I'm going to be using is negative 4 subtract negative 3. First number that first you're going to have to find your first number. Mine's 4. Then you're going to go back by the second number. Mine's 3, so you go back 1, 2, 3. The answer is negative 7. First, let's start off. As you know, blue is positive. So let's start counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we know how many we have. Now let's make our formula. Positive 5, negative, positive 3. Now, what would that give us? That would give us positive 2. Yeah. So, party on, dudes. I'm going to do a positive negative sample question for you to learn this. Now, as you know in a few videos back, let's start off with zero pairs, positives and negatives. Blue is positive, red is negative. Find our zero pairs, give them a little circle around them, Now, what do we have left? Now all you have to do is pretty much just wipe them away. It don't matter anymore. Okay, what do we have left? This is negative. We have two negatives. Okay, let's find our formula. So what we have from before. So what we had from before is positive 3. Positive 3 and negative 5. So positive 3 minus negative 5. Now, what does that give us? That gives us these, negative 2. Okay? Now, let's look for any zero pairs. If they're colored in, then that's positive, so that would be equal a 1 0 pair. Positive and negative would equal a 0 pair. Is there any zero pairs? No. So let's start with our equation. Negative 5 minus negative 6 equals. Now to find this out, we have to count the negatives. Now, because it's both negatives, it will end up in a positive. So 5 plus 6, 11. All right, so 11. It would be 5 minus 6, positive 1. All right, thank you for watching. So we're going to start with 5 here, and move all the way down to negative 2. Okay? Now, let's come up with our equation. Okay, positive 5 minus negative 2 equals positive 2.
Positive. I'm going to show you how to subtract a positive by a positive using a number line. I'm going to use as an example positive 4 subtract positive 5. First, you're going to find your first number. Then you're going to go back by your second number. Mine's 4 minus 5. So you start at 4, then you go back by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is negative 1. Right now I'm going to show you how to do subtract a negative by a negative using a number line. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to find your two numbers. Mine's negative 3 and negative 4. You're going to find your first number. Mine's negative 3. Then you're going to go to the right by your second number. So negative 3 minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is negative 1. The reason why I got there is because you move to the right when it is a negative number, because it's like subtracting debt. It's taking debt away from you